it's your girl Mac Cox here with MA Couture Crafting. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. If you get the feeling, like it, subscribe, comment, talk to me. I love interacting with you guys. This video here is to talk about what to expect in 2021. So 2020 was trash. It was trash for a lot of people. Some people made it work for them. Some people were like me and it just, I didn't do well. I did not create as much as I would like to have created. I am a beginning quilter. I started at the very end of 2018. I bought my sewing machine, and then 2019, it just took off. I started sewing like a crazy person, and I'm obsessed with quilting. So that is definitely something that you will see in 2021 are more quilts with my twist. You guys know I like to take patterns and twist them and change them and put them on the backs of quilts and play with things. So expect some funky quilts. What else? Sewing projects. I really enjoyed doing the sewing projects at the end of 2020. So like the little purse and the bags and that kind of thing. There are a couple of more small sewing projects that are in the queue, so expect that. No clothes. I'm not a clothing sewer at this point in time in my life. That does not appeal to me, but who knows going forward. Maybe some table runners, maybe some 3D quilt projects. I've seen some flowers and pillows and things of that nature. So I'm thinking that's coming. If my husband and I move, we're supposed to move this year. I don't know. The world is funky. We shall see. I live in Los Angeles, California, and buying a house out here is a little different. So if I do end up moving, Lord willing, we have agreed that I need a craft space of some sort. So whatever that looks like, I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me. I'm a crazy organizer person. Everything needs to have a space kind of thing. So we shall see what that looks like, hopefully in 2021. I want to start a Facebook group. I won't be able to really give this channel and my brand the attention that it deserves until after mid-year. If you guys don't know, I'm working on my master's. Yay! But it's trying to kill me. I'm in the last little bit working on this thesis. And so after that's finished, I should be able to really dedicate my time to this channel, which is what my goal is for 2021, is to grow this brand. There's not enough people that look like me doing what I do. And that's not acceptable. So be the change that you want to see in the world. That's what I'm doing. So after probably June is probably when I'll really kick it into gear, and maybe we'll do another check-in about what to expect from there. What else? My website, I have one. I have not been on there in a while, but there's some interesting stuff on there, tools and that kind of thing. Check it out. It's MA Couture Crafting, which is what I am on Facebook and Instagram, and I'd like to actually get more involved in my Instagram and my Facebook. So we shall see that going forward too. I want to do a quilt shop series. So you might not know this, but on the weekends, I love to drive to all the local quilt shops, all of them. If they're in the vicinity or not even really in the vicinity, I'm going. I love it. And a lot of my friends talk about their experiences at these quilt shops are not the same as mine. So let's see. Let's go. Let's see which quilt shops specialize in what. There are some that do great patterns and things of that nature. There are some that have all the notions. There are some that have all the batiks. There's some that have all the kaif. And I want to get out there and I want to see and tell you guys what you can expect in California. And I will drive, I don't know. We'll see how far I drive because I love to drive. I drive from here to Oregon all the time. So let's see what we find in California or wherever we end up going. What else? The Disney stuff. Definitely Disney. I can't help it. I love Disney, so you'll see some Disney stuff. And also, for my paper crafters out there, I have been buying a ton of stuff. When I say a ton of stuff, I mean a ton of stuff. And I haven't done anything with it. And so I think instead of buying more stuff, because there's no place to put anything, I think I'm going to shop my stash and do like a week of a brand. So maybe I'll do a week of Altenew or Honeybee or Concord at 9th and just show you guys what all I have from that brand, what's dope, and let's make some stuff and see what that looks like. If I have said anything that sounds interesting to you, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't already, if you feel the urge. And I will see you guys on the next video. We are shooting 11 intros today. So let's see what's next. Bye-bye.